So, guys, a very beautiful video, indeed, the most beautiful video pretty Yagmur Yuksel have finally been shared on social media. The actress is in Cappadocia. She is enjoying the beautiful places and she is visiting and exploring the beautiful places of Cappadocia. Not only that, she is enjoying healthy activities in Cappadocia, and yesterday she was seen driving a big blue jeep and she enjoyed a lot there. So Yagmur Yuksel Most beautiful video has been shared. On the other hand, Baris baktas has started Eid preparations as he is eager to celebrate Eid this year, so he has started Eid preparation.